Hey guys, so wasn't feeling too well, but I had to order some food on DoorDash, and I'm gonna show you guys what I bought. Let me get rid of some of this stuff on this counter. Oh gosh, I tried to like make myself look presentable because my hair was in my bonnet, and as you can see, I look really dull because I don't feel well. But I'm gonna show you guys what I bought. I went on DoorDash because I was not really feeling up to par about going to the supermarket today. My stomach was hurting me. I'm not sure if I have a stomach cold or whatever. I thought I had the C word, but I did when I went to work, when I was about to leave, they did a test and it came out negative. So I'm really thinking that it's like a stomach cold. I'm gonna show you guys right now what I got from the supermarket on DoorDash. All right, so this is what I got. I don't really like canned soup because I feel like it has too much sodium, but originally I was just gonna get some chicken broth and get some celery, carrots, and boneless and skinless chicken and make my own soup, but I don't have that much energy to even do all that. So I said I'll just make some chicken soup and eat this, probably add more water, that way it doesn't become too salty. So I bought some chicken soup, Campbell's chunky classic chicken noodle soup, about 3 of these. See how it tastes. Put that over there. And I got some Mr. Q cucumber sparkling beverage. It's so tiny. On DoorDash, it looked taller than this. But I'm gonna try it. It looks like it would taste good. I never tried it before. Bought some spaghetti. I'll probably make some spaghetti later on this week. I have 3 days off. I made sure not to schedule myself to work for the next 3 days because I don't feel well and I don't think I'll have the strength to go to work. So I just wanted some me time. So I got another one, the cucumber sparkling. I got some pineapple juice. Next bag we have here is, I haven't had this in a while. Like, last time I had like a Danish was like from New York. When I used to live in New York, I used to go to the corner store and buy Danish. So this is like an apple Danish. I can't wait to eat my food. I was gonna eat some chicken noodle soup right now to help me feel better. But I ordered some food. I ordered some other food on DoorDash. I'll show you guys that later in another video. Got some cucumbers. So I talked to my aunt earlier today. She was like, Jamaicans, they always have some remedy. So she told me to take cucumber, garlic, and some lemon, and that should wash out my stomach and I should feel better. So I got some cucumbers, so I'm gonna cut that up and put it in my little Ninja blender. I got some apples. I love apples. Haven't been eating apples lately. Is that how the apple was? Is this apple supposed to look like this, you guys? Have these like white specks? What does that mean? Well, maybe it's supposed to be like this. Organic apples. It's supposed to look like this? I don't know. I'm gonna wash it and bless my food. Let's see. Bag number 3. So I never tried this before. This looks interesting. Evergreen apple cinnamon cobbler. Ooh, waffles. 9 mini waffles. I'm sure it's mini. Let me feel it. It feels mini. It feels tiny. Oh my gosh. Probably one morning when I'm making breakfast, you guys, I will take these out and eat some eggs with it. And see how many these waffles really are. It's a small bag, so it must be tiny. This would be cute for like toddlers. Give them little waffles. Apple cinnamon cobbler. Ooh, sounds good. Apple cinnamon cobbler. So, I never tried this before. I'm definitely gonna try it. It's like when I go on DoorDash, I'm like, let me order exactly, even when I'm in the supermarket, let me order exactly what I need. And then I'll be like, ooh, this look good. Ooh, this look good. And then by the time I come to the register, it'll be like way more than what I expected to pay. Bought some celery. You know, hopefully I can probably add that into my cucumber drink. Ooh, maybe I could add some pineapple too. Make my own little drink and just wash up my stomach. My stomach's getting smaller. So, and then I need to go to the gym today. So, I'll make a video later on about the gym. Ooh, this is a big, giant grapefruit. Oh my gosh. I know grapefruits are big, but I think I ever seen this size before. Hold on. Let me show you. And it looks a little bit bigger than what it's showing on the camera. So I was like, it looks like a little orange right now. But yeah, it looks smaller on the camera than it is over here. It looks pretty big. Like, it looks small on camera, but it's huge. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I was about to say, they gave me some extra stuff. I was like, I didn't order this, but I did order the blood orange. I never had blood orange before. I always see, like, you know, in restaurants where people ordering drinks, they like have a blood orange with their like maybe bourbon drink. But I want to taste this. I want to see how it tastes. Have you guys ever tried blood oranges? Tell me in the comments if you have, and tell me how it tastes. But I think I'm gonna taste it before you guys even comment. But did you like it? And then last but not least, I ordered some cheese. I have so much food in my pantry. Let me see. So I got so much like little stuff, tea bags. I need to organize it. It's like a hot mess. I'll be like rushing for work. I'm like, what's tea bags? I ordered like 3 tea bags. I have some in the back too. But I got that. I got a whole bunch of little stuff, knickknacks. I have a whole bunch of stuff in here. And of course, I got a lot of food. So I do got food in my fridge. See, just all this stuff. And some other stuff over here. I need to clear it up. I need to organize. See, when you don't feel well, it's like, it's kind of difficult. I mean, well, actually, it's not really difficult because my place is kind of small to like clean up. So it's not difficult to clean up, but it's like sometimes you just get lazy. Sometimes you just get lazy and you just don't want to clean up right away. But all these groceries are going to be put away soon, right now. And then I'll probably later on have some classic chicken noodle soup, the Campbell version. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. I hope I feel better because I really don't like to take days off from work. But I know I've been working so much. I've been doing like lots of doubles, working 16 hours. I was trying my best to do 16 hours every single day. That'd be like 112 hours. And I know that's like going overboard and I don't want to burn out. But I feel good. Like, it's like a marathon. Just work for that entire week, knowing that the week is definitely going to pass. And then the following week, not work or maybe take 3 or 4 days off from work just to rest. And that's it. So I was trying my best to do that. It did not work out. I ended up getting sick because I guess a resident was sick. And I thought I had the C word, but I don't have it because it was negative. I checked it this morning and it was negative. So actually, one of the nurses checked it this morning and it was negative. So I feel good about that. You know, I remember one time I had that when I was on a travel assignment in Nebraska. Oh my gosh, it was the worst thing ever. My whole body was aching. I felt like I was gonna literally die. And I didn't, thank God. But Richmond, good luck. I want to feel better. Like I'm gonna go right back to work on Thursday. I took the 3 days off, like tomorrow. I'll probably call out from this other job because I have to do some computer training. Like I have to be in compliance and all this other stuff. So I'm like, oh my gosh, I really want to call out, but I don't want them thinking I'm playing games because I called out like twice from that job. I'm like, yeah, but I'm really sick though. It's not like I'm like, just be like, yeah, I'm sick. But yeah, you guys, I love you guys so much. Remember to love yourself first. I will come back on probably tomorrow and make another video. All right, I love you guys. Love yourself. Bye.